Hello, it's Nick here. Hope you're doing amazing. In today's episode, I want to talk about why constant, really good copy email absolutely pays off. Now, we just did an experiment just recently, and we started to write what's called a 30-day series. So every day, what we did to our one of our lists, we created an email and sent it out. And in those, I want you to think about it, that was 85% content and maybe 10 to 15% call to action. So in other words, hey, you can download this for free, get this for free, connect on a strategy session, whatever it may be, right? So we had 85%, we didn't ask for anything. We just said, hey, check this out, check this out, check this out, check this out. It's all really good value. And then 15% of content. Now, here's what was awesome about it. At the 30-day, we realized that, first of all, we started to get a lot better engagement with our people, right? With the unsubscribes went down. The people that were joining us were a lot more engaged. Start to getting a lot of feedback, which was really awesome. Then around probably, we said, hey, why don't we extend it to every day? So some people started to write for us and go, hey, I really look forward to your email every day. It keeps me focused. All of these things. Now, it's interesting. At about day 40, what happened is unsubscribe rate is literally zero. So every time we send it out, it's been good. And what's most important, we've kept a constant open rate of around about 26 to 28%, which is pretty much unheard of in daily email, which has been really cool. So the people that are looking at it, literally 30%, 1/3 of people actually open it every day and check it out, which is awesome. Then we said, why don't we try some call to actions that really connected with people? So we, added a magazine, that we could send you a magazine, digital book download, a PDF download. And then we said, hey, do you want to hop on a strategy session with us? Cut a long story short, some of the people that then hopped on the strategy session with us, right, are now in the process of becoming clients. Now, we're about 60 days into it now, and every day I start to get feedback back going, oh man, it was such a great email that you sent. I loved it. I look forward to this every day. So now we're engaging in conversation. This is what's really, really cool. So you've got to think about it as a business owner. Really good copy and content is good. Now, one of these people that we've got in the pipe are really close to connecting and converting. Here's the best part about it. That one person literally makes up for the entire year of email. If I had to get somebody else to write this, I like to write the copy myself, and one of my coaches edits it, because I just found that I'm the best at writing for that type of audience. Now, I'm not saying that, somebody else can't do it. It's just what I like to do. Now, by the way, I really love writing, so it's awesome. Now, in saying that, what I want to share with you is what ways are you communicating with your audience on a daily basis? Now, for us, we literally post 6 or 7 posts across 5 different channels every day. But email has seemed to be very effective. It's slowed down the unsubscribe rate. And it's starting to increase users that are coming to it because people tell their friends about it and go, hey, do you want to join this email list? So the power of real constant, really good email is really, really effective, right? You got to know how to use it. And most importantly, be persistent, but be constant. Sound good? Now, if you want some help with that, you know where to reach us, upcoach.com.au. Check us out on social. Send me an email, nick@upcoach.com.au. It's all good. I'm Nick. And remember, the only way is